to install the library, open the extension manager, click on the plus icon, navigate to the folder with all of the files, select all of the files and click open. Blocs will install all of the custom sections and site template, which you will use to start all of your projects. As you can see, everything is here. After that, restart Blocs. And now you are ready to start a new project from the site template and use any of the installed sections. You can see you can navigate to them and browse them here.